Python language was developed for people who don't like to write too many complex codes and want to understand the code just by seeing it. As in other languages like Java, when you write if block, all the statements that should run inside the section should be kept inside curly brackets. All statements should be separated by a semicolon, but it's optional if they should follow or not follow indentation. It's difficult to understand the code if the developer has not followed indentation. As you can see from the example, to do a simple check on the age of the person and print a statement, he has to write multiple codes. You can also write the code in a single line, but this makes the code unreadable. It will become very difficult and comprehend for the user who wishes to understand the code better. Python makes indentation mandatory. If your code is not properly formatted, then Python will show errors. In Python, you don't need to put a section of code in curly brackets. You just need to keep it rightly indented. Here is a similar example of code in Python. Here, curly brackets are not used, but the code is following indentation and is easily readable as shown here.